Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will share with you the newest attraction here in Singapore, the Changi Jurassic Mile. Jurassic Mile is Singapore's newest and largest permanent outdoor display of life-size dinosaurs. These next two displays are defensive dinosaur, Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, Continue walking, will pass by the predator dinosaurs, Velociraptor, T-Rex eggs, Tyrannosaurus rex,
Another species you'll get to see is the Brachiosaurus, herbivorous dinosaur. These are baby flying dinosaurs, pterodactyl. A few steps from here, you'll be amazed by the last three herbivorous dinosaurs: Stegosaurus, Parasaurolophus, and Apatosaurus. Entry to this new attraction is free of charge. If you plan to visit on Friday and on the weekend between 9 a.m. and 10 p.m., you must secure a slot before entry by booking on www.changieairport.com. If you are here in Singapore, plan your visit now and be wowed by the 1-kilometer trail featuring more than 20 life-sized dinosaurs. That's all for now, and we are looking forward to sharing with you more exciting places here in Singapore. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button below. See you again in our next video.